Welcome to Lostock. We're here on Birch Road to have a look at this detached property, which it's fair to say whoever buys it is going to need to come in and improve and enhance and basically finish off the work that's already been done. There's great potential here, and we'll have a proper look inside in just a moment. But first of all, this is the entrance from Birch. So it's a nice wide driveway which leads to the garage. There's some beautiful countryside as you just follow this road up there. As we go back to Charlie New Road here, turn right and then left, you're at the Middlebrook retail and leisure site. You've got the train station which directly serves Preston, Bolton, Salford, Manchester. You've got wonderful schools, great facilities, beautiful countryside, really, and virtually just on your doorstep. It's a gorgeous place to live. But in this particular example, right now, there's work to be done. So we've got an integral garage and the doorways just onto the side in here. And like I say, this is probably one, and you'll see exactly what I mean when we step in, for a builder, for a developer, for a speculator to come on in and probably have your own ideas, don't get me wrong, about what the best way is to improve and enhance and design it internally. But it's absolutely crying out for somebody to come in, get it finished off, maybe add their own decorative tastes and flair to the project and make it a property to remember. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. Welcome inside. We've stepped in and we're having a look at the sort of entrance porch area. You can see there with the where the ceiling is missing. So the dooring comes in at the side, and then as we look forwards, reception hallway, sectioned off area here for the stairs that lead up to the first floor. And as you know, this is really, it's an unfinished building project where we're looking for a builder, a speculator, a property developer to come in and finish it off and add their own value, of course. This whole area, as you can see from there all the way across, is open plan. It might suit having the kitchen in here. It might suit having bedrooms in here. You could really, this is one of the good things about this project, is you can come in and you can perhaps design it as you wish. Now, I'm advised that all these bits and pieces and chattels will be cleared in due course. As you can see, we've got exposed brickwork. We will look upstairs in just a moment. I'll show you downstairs first. Whilst we're looking, and I'm sorry I didn't point this out, did I? But look, you have got the steels already in. You know, that's expensive building materials right there that we're looking at. So hallway, you can see it's the exposed brickwork, floorboards. This room is just to the back of there where the studwork is. Perhaps this is a bedroom. Again, however you really wish it to be. And again, these bits and pieces will all be cleared out. And the opposite side of the hallway, we're looking into what's been planned, as you can see, to be the bathroom. So there's first fix pipe work in. There's actually quite a nice radiator in there, but we do still have this backdrop of the exposed brickwork. And this might be an opportunity to redesign this if you wish to. But this would be the bathroom. This was probably a living room at some point in its past, with the feature circular window and the bay window there. And of course the chimney breast on this side. I quite like the exposed brickwork on there and that tiled background. It's really stylish. Again, work to be done. Radiator needs fitting, but good size space. And I'm trying not to give any of these rooms a name, really, because if I call this bedroom 2, somebody else might say, no, that's the lounge, or I'm going to have it as a dining room or whatever. So really versatile. This is a storage room. As you can see, there's no door on it, there's no plaster work, but some of the joinery is in for where the door will go. And at the head of the hallway, you can see here where a door was planned to go in, and this section has been opened out. If I understand it correctly, there was a bathroom in here at one point, but now maybe this could perhaps work as an open plan family dining room, and maybe this could be the kitchen area. Because that bit, as you can see there, opens through. Maybe this is kitchen, maybe it's another lounge. However you wish to do it, this is the good thing about it. There's potential, there is work to be done. I'll just show you from this side. Just up there, the flooring from upstairs and the ceiling from downstairs is missing, so you do need to be cautious if you're coming to have a look around, and I'll show you that from upstairs in a minute as well. But very, very versatile. Clearly it's unfinished. Clearly, ideally we're looking for builders, developers, speculators, cash buyers to get this purchased, do the works, improve it, enhance it, add value to it as well. And this has the makings of a wonderful, wonderful home. I'll pop up those stairs and I'll show you upstairs in just a second. So we've gone up the steps, we've stepped up the stairs, and we're in the first floor of the property. And as you can see, it's an unfinished building project still. There's sections of the floor that are missing, sections of the ceiling above the area which, you know, we have had a look at there. You can see the roof joists. I mean, to be fair, they look fine. We've got 2 large double glazed roof windows in place there. There is a radiator there as well. Really and truthfully, it's just ready for designing however you want it to be as part of the renovation works. Whether you could perhaps have one large bedroom up here, maybe with an ensuite and a dressing area. Perhaps you're looking at it and thinking, well, no, we'll have 2 bedrooms up here. Fine. It needs a little bit of thought, it needs a little bit of planning, but there is great, great potential up here. Hopefully you've had a reasonable look at it from this video. This is the scale of it. So as you can see, the floor, even like the floorboards are missing. You can see the joists. As we look up above, you can see the cabling and the inner of the roof, etc. So there's no plaster up here. Well, there is a bit of plaster, to be fair, but as you can see, there's a lot to be done. So we've stepped around the back of the property, just come up the side gate, and you can see here how really it's designed for easy maintenance with nice paving. We've got a well tended hedgerow to the back, so it is very, very private back here. As you can see, we've got the materials and the equipment for the works to be done, which aren't going to be done, of course. It's sold pretty much as you see it, with a view to the work being completed by the buyer. But this garden area does run all the way around the property. So this is the left hand side as you look from the front. This is that circular window you might remember from inside, with the exposed brick chimney breast and the tiled fireplace. So the gardens run all the way around this side, and then around the back like we've just seen. And it's a big, big property, this. It really is. I'll spin the camera around just so you can have a proper look. Wonderful potential. Just needs someone to come in and perhaps finish off what's been started and really enhance this building and make it a fabulous, fabulous home. Sold via auction, of course, and with early vacant possession and no further upward chain delay. The auction will be held by Pugh & Co, and any offers in advance of the auction should be registered with those. And to arrange an appointment to come around and have a look, just give us a call. Cardwell's Estate Agents, Bolton, on 01204 381 281, and we'll show you around.